This video will show you how to change the printer ribbon for your ID Maker Apex printer. First, remove the rear card feed hopper. Second, remove the printer ribbon. Take out the blue sticky roller called the cleaning spool. It is on a metal bar and should snap out once you lift up on it. Remove the metal bar from the old cleaning spool. Open your new ID Maker Apex ribbon box and take out the cleaning spool. Slide the metal bar into the new spool and take the paper off. Next, click the cleaning roller back into place. Locate your new ribbon and remove the packaging. Put the blue spool in place near the back of the printer and the white spool in the front. Once the ribbon is in place, you can close the lid of your printer. At this point, you have successfully replaced your ID Maker Apex printer ribbon and cleaning spool.